Hey drum fans, welcome to another Lockdown Cocktails. Tonight we're making 3 simple smoky summer serves in 3-ish minutes. We're going to start with a Klondike. All the cocktails that we're making tonight, I'm using Cu Bocan from Tomatin Distillery. I won't go too much into it, I won't go into work mode. Nice light smoky whiskey, perfect for all of these cocktails. However, if you want to swap in a non-smoky whiskey, they'll work absolutely perfectly with that in place of the smoky whiskey. So, Klondike, we're going to start with 25 ml of lemon juice. Then we're going to add 50 ml of orange juice. Then 50 ml of whiskey. So that we're going to add ice. So we're going to fill the glass right up with ice. More. And then we're going to top that lot up with some Fever Tree ginger ale. Give it just a little stir just to mix everything together, and we're going to garnish it with an orange wedge. So that's Klondike. That's the first of our 3 simple smoky summer serves. Second one that we're making is a mint limeade. So I've got about 8 mint leaves here. So just going to wake them up with a bit of a slap, chuck them in the bottom. 25 ml simple syrup, just a 1-to-1 simple syrup. If you don't have simple syrup, use a little bit of sugar, works just as well. Juice of about half a lime. Give that lot Muddle. 50 ml of whiskey. Fill a glass up, plenty of ice again. All of these are perfect for the lovely sunny weather that we've got at the moment, which hopefully for most of us will make up for the fact that we're not allowed back to pubs yet. That gets topped up with your favourite lemonade, lemon limeade. I'm using Sprite, 7-Up, whatever you choose. And then we're going to garnish that with a little sprig of mint. This mint is from my garden, hence it has a spider on it. Don't add a spider to your drink, that doesn't add any flavour to your drink. So, mint limeade there, it's our second smoky summer serve. And now number 3. This is a Highland Paloma. So we're going to start with 25 ml of simple syrup once again. Again, juice of half a lime. 50 ml of whiskey. 50 ml of pink grapefruit juice. The other nice thing about all of these cocktails is that you can batch them up. So you could make up a batch with just the juices and just the whiskey in a jug, and then add in your fizzy ingredient at the end as you serve it. So if you've got people coming around for a socially distanced barbecue, then you could make up a big jug of these, and then as people arrive, pour them out and just top them off with whichever soda applies to that particular drink. Then this one just gets topped off with plain soda water, plain fizzy water. And this one I'm garnishing with a little lime wedge. And there you have 3 simple smoky summer serves in hopefully 3-ish minutes. So thanks for watching, folks. Stay safe. I'll see you next time. Cheers.